Okay, so BISSELL CrossWave, take 2, because kids. All right, here we go. Hold on. Yeah, it's like I want to get down there with the rack because it's just getting closer to the counter without getting picked up by my machine that's going to do it. And look, it's just like smearing it everywhere. Like, okay, cool. And I haven't even put water down yet. It's just sucking up the mess. Like when I put water down, it's like, oh yeah, cool, Mom. I'll just make muddy water. Like, what the heck? Like, now it's just, and now I have to stop this. This is insanity. I have to go get a regular mop.
Yeah, what is it? BISSELL CrossWave Cordless Max, one of the worst products I have ever purchased. Don't even bother. Has this stupid defect where it says it's full when it's clearly not full. So you to go, start it. And now it just does that because it thinks it's full. It's not low battery. The lighting on this system actually broke like 2 months after I purchased it, and then the auto clean function on this also broke within about 2 months of purchasing it. Hands down, one of the worst cleaners I have ever purchased. If you don't have really hot water in it too, then there's no point really cleaning up the floor to a good clean. Yeah, just a mop and bucket, 10 times better than this. Worst purchase I ever made. Don't waste your $300 on this thing. Complete garbage. I give it a 2 out of 10, maybe a 1 out of 10. One of the worst products I've ever purchased in my life.
Holy shit.
BISSELL Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum and Mop. This thing works like a dream, and you will be horrified at how dirty your floors actually were before you owned this. It works on all types of surfaces too, including rugs. I like that I don't have to vacuum and mop in 2 different steps. I use it at least once a week on the floors in our house. Next up, this